gonna get your powers? You haven't got them yet.
I don't know. I'm not even sure if I'm gonna get mine.
You're gonna get them someday. You just gotta believe.
Well, what powers do you think I'll get?
I'm thinking Earth.
Ooh, I like that. Oh, come on, let's go to school. Wait, does your like outfit all change when you get your element?
Yeah, your outfit changed.
What was your hair originally?
What?
What color was your hair originally?
Oh, blonde. Well, it was actually brown. Then I bleached it, and then my hair started.
Ah.
Oh no! Here comes Jessica, just in your hair.
Hey, losers! What do you want, Jessica? Well, I want to say that you're powerless. You don't deserve powers anyway. Whoa, Emily.
What?
You blasted her and you caught her shoulder on fire.
I know. Oh, I'm not done.
Bye, Jessica. Okay, let's get back to school.
Wow, I can't believe this cave is actually our school.
Yeah. Hey, remember when those girls came here? Those two human girls from the human world? We don't even know who they are?
Nope. Also, Brad's coming.
Oh, no. Not Brad.
Let's just walk away and not talk to him.
Ow! You'd better not walk away from me, you jerk. Ow!
Back off!
Freak!
Oh, no! Oh, come! Wait! Jerk!
Did you just set him on fire?
Yes.
So, is he, like, dead now?
Probably.
Oh, look, the fire's out. Oh, he's all burnt. He's all black. He's charred now. Oh, gosh, Flower. Okay, now you've officially burned him.
Well.
Oh.
Bye-bye, Brad. Let's go eat.
How could you kill my boyfriend?
Shut up, Jessica. You had it. You're not.
Oh my god, you burned Jessica.
Get out of here, Jessica.
Let's go eat outside. That way she won't bother us. She's gonna hate us for the rest of her life because we killed Brad.
He's a jerk anyways.
I'm still alive, you brats.
Shut up.
I think you've officially done it. I think he's dead now. So what'd you bring for lunch?
Oh, I brought... Take it.
Let me guess, some fire food?
Smoked salmon.
I just brought a regular egg and bacon thing.
Ooh. Anyways, let's go eat by the tree.
So, I wonder if I'm ever gonna get a power.
I feel like you would.
I haven't felt any change on my bodies, and I only started attending school 3 years ago.
Jessica's coming.
Hide!
What do you want, Jessica?
I just wanted to know that I will hate you and not bother you for the rest of your lives.
Say that again.
Ah! Ah! could do that.
Yeah, it's a fire thing.
Oh, this makes me wish I had powers.
You'll get them soon, no. I promise.
Looks like it's time to train.
Let's go. I'm pretty sure you're gonna sit out again. I feel bad. You haven't got a power yet.
What if I never get one?
I promise you, you're gonna get one.
He's still alive. Shoot him.
I'm bored today. I don't want it.
I want a power so bad.
I know you want power so bad.
What color do you think my hair would change into if I got some?
Green.
I like the color green. Oh, here comes Nudie Jessica. Ew, wait, she's naked!
What?
She's naked!
Jessica, get out of here!
Use your fire thing again.
Come on. She's distracted. Run away from the fire. Hide at least.
You ruined my perfect hairstyle.
Good.
Whoa! Whoa! Jessica, I hate you! That little...
I know, right?
She is so annoying. If I had powers, I'd definitely use them on her.
Anyways, let's go. You should move.
There's a fire over there.
Yeah, someone's going crazy.
Oh, the fire's out.
Brad's coming.
Hey, losers! What the heck do you want, Brad?
Come here to get fired, Blast.
Flower? Emily, I mean? Shoot him.
We should run. He just fired Blast us. Brad! Oh, wait, yeah, him.
That could have killed us. Let's go to school. Let's go to school.
Yeah.